So let's add two different fonts that we need for this project. The first one is this one, Railway, and the other one is this Libre Baskerville. So I'm gonna add these links into the course so you can access them really easy. I'm gonna scroll to the bottom and click here on Open in Google Fonts, and also this one, and open the Google Fonts. Here I'm gonna add only the extra bold, the ultra bold version. I'm gonna scroll. You can copy this URL from here, so I'm gonna copy this, open Atom, and I'm gonna open this in the functions.php. So here I'm gonna add WPNQ style, and I'm gonna add Railway, then we add a comma, and then we add quotes, and this way you add the Google font. Next I'm gonna open the other font, and I'm gonna copy these two versions, and I'm gonna copy this URL, copy, and this one is called WPNQ style Baskerville, and then we add a comma and save. Let's see this in the browser, and I'm gonna copy this. Here at the bottom we have this font family, so I'm gonna copy this one, and I'm gonna add this in the style.css, and I'm gonna scroll to the top. Here I'm gonna add an H1, an H2, an H3, an H4, and finally an H5. So we have the font family. It's gonna be the Railway font that we added. Next I'm gonna add a text transform, so I want to have all the titles or all the heading with this font and in uppercase. And finally let's add a margin bottom of 20 pixels. Every time that we apply one of these headings, it's gonna have a margin bottom of 20 pixels. So you can reload, and now you can see we have welcome to the travel blog. So this is looking way better. There is something that we need to finish before, or there is something that we need to have done before we finish this video. You can see that this text is centered vertically, and you can see it is really close to the logo. So I'm gonna open again my code, and I'm gonna scroll to the bottom. Here I'm gonna add another media query, copy this, paste, and I'm gonna add a home, and I'm gonna target this deep page title, and then we add a margin top of 240 pixels, and let's save this and reload. You can see it's looking better. Welcome to the travel blog. If I click here on About Us, you can see we have the same problem, and I'm gonna target this, copy this, paste, and here I'm gonna change the number to 100 pixels. So let's save this and reload, and you can see it's working. Go back to the home, and you can see everything is working fine, or everything is working as expected. With this we finish this section. Here we have maybe a small problem, and I'm gonna open the header again, and I'm gonna change this to 7. Yeah, it's looking better. So with this we finish the header of our website, and in the next video we're gonna start working with this latest entries section. So see you in the next video.